Hello, welcome to the iNELS stand in the ISE 2024. My name is Jiří Konečný and I would like to introduce iNELS wired bus. So the base of the iNELS bus is the central units, which is the IP LAN gateway and which can be connected up to 32 devices. It's our backend. There is more than 32 different products, switching actuated, dampers, converters, DALI or combination units. And the front end is the controllers from the plastics in the nature frames through the glass controllers with symbol, without symbols, metallic one, new line with real metal, and the new touch 4-inch and the detectors microwave and PIR. Thank you. If you want to know more, please visit iNELS.com.